Hello, I'm sitting in one of my favorite places in Independence, the cemetery. And as I was leaving Goodwill, my phone started doing this. Really loud and annoying. I had no idea how to stop it. So, of course, I went to YouTube. And I put in, please stop this stupid phone. It won't even let me make a phone call. Of course, that didn't help. But this dude was showing like 75 different things to do to improve your Galaxy Sun Samsung. I had to look at the back. Samsung phone. And I stopped him because as soon as he started talking, the stupid ass phone stopped buzzing and shushing. So, in case that happens to you, turn on something on Google, on YouTube, it turns it off. I don't know why, it just does.